I am Jahnavi of roll number 20EE10033 of section 3 and subsection 2.
So I started with Arduino motor sheet. I have given the int PWM value 220. PWM stands for pulse width modulator. So the speed of the motor is actually directly proportional to PWM, which can be calculated using this formula. We use 255 here because it is the maximum value that can be taken by PWM. It is always suggestible to choose a value that lies between 0 and 250. In PWM, 0 stands for low and 255 stands for high. And in the void setup, I have made some connections. So I would like to demonstrate using this outline. So here input 1 is connected to the pin 12 and the input 2 is connected to the pin 8 through a XOR function. And then enable A pin is connected to the 4th pin, which in turn is connected to the 6th pin. So firstly, I have put 12 to high to run the motor in clockwise direction and then 8 to low to ensure the brake is disabled. So that is because one side of my pin of my brake is earthened. So giving pin 8 low will actually make sure that the brake is disabled. And then I have given pin 6 at the output. And then in the void loop, I have given the analog write statement which creates a PWM signal. We can also calculate the average voltage which is directly proportional to PWM using this formula. On compiling, it is successfully compiled. On stimulating, the motor started adjusting its position. So the motor started turning.
I started up with this kind of setup. First one being water level controller, and for this I used a slider, and then for depicting the water level I used the gauze, and for the flow too I have made another setup that actually helps us to read the pulse rate and shows the risk level at which we are. So for the pulse rate I have used the text input, and for the risk level again gauge. So in risk level I made some adjustment according to the way I wanted to depict it. So the normal pulse rate of a human is from 60 to 100, which is depicted by green, that symbolizes it is safe, and 20 to 60 and 100 to 120 are not safe, so I have shown them with red color. Then I deployed the code and opened it with the user interface. So this is my water level meter, the gauze I used for water level, and I'm controlling it from here. So you can see some yellow in between, red and green. And for this risk level, I'm actually giving the input here. So I'm trying out 40, which is not safe, 80, which is safe. So it is safe up to have a pulse rate of 100, and let me try 110, which is unsafe.